Good morning, friends. I am here with fourth part of abbreviated words of class 12 biology for CBSE students again. In this video, we will practice on fourth unit, the unit biotechnology, and the fifth unit of biology, that is ecology, because there are very few abbreviated words in both the units, so both the units have been included in the same video. Okay, now come to the point. Here fourth unit biotechnology you are looking. Fourth unit biotechnology. In this unit you will come through these words. The word is EFB. EFB, European Federation of Biotechnology. In the very beginning you will come through this word in NCERT book. EFB, European Federation of Biotechnology. The next one is rDNA, recombinant deoxyribonucleic acid. rDNA, that is also called recombinant DNA. The full form of rDNA is recombinant deoxyribonucleic acid. Now here is tDNA. tDNA, that is tumor inducing deoxyribonucleic acid. Tumor inducing deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, the next one is GMO, genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms. Okay, here is another one, RNAi, ribonucleic acid interference. Ribonucleic acid interference, this is a kind of the biocontrol by ribonucleic acid interference. Next one is ADA. ADA, that is called adenosine deaminase deficiency. Adenosine deaminase deficiency. This is a kind of genetic disorder which can be cured by gene therapy. Okay, now here is PKU. PKU, that is phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. PKU, phenylketonuria. The next word is GEAC. GEAC. GEAC stands for Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. This is the committee which gives the approval for any genetic engineering. Okay, now here we are here to go through another unit, that is unit ecology. Ecology, we had to come through the words from the unit ecology. Okay, you are looking here these words in ecology, just like GPP, NPP, PAR, GFC, DFC, and so on. Okay, then we will practice on these words. GPP stands for gross primary productivity. Gross primary productivity. Gross primary productivity. NPP, net primary productivity. NPP, net primary productivity. These words are not to be asked in a board examination this year in 2021, because this is the part of the deleted portion as per CBSE syllabus prescribed by modifying. Okay, and next one is PAR, photosynthetically active radiation. Photosynthetically active radiation. GFC, that is grazing food chain. Grazing food chain. DFC, that is detritus food chain. And here is another word, IUCN. IUCN. This word includes only 4 letters, but you are looking here the bigger one, its full form is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Together, collectively, it is called IUCN. You can also write International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. You can write for, instead of for, you also can write of International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Okay, now the another word is CPCB, that is CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. Central Pollution Control Board. Here is another one, PIL, that is Public Interest Litigation, जिसको आप जनहित याचिका भी बोलते हैं, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन. एंड CNG, that is compressed natural gas. DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. You can write here as you can read it by separating words. Dichloro, okay, diphenyl, and the another one trichloroethane. Okay, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, DDT. Okay, the next word is FOAM, FOAM, Friends of Arcata Mars. Friends of Arcata Mars. And you are looking here, Friends of Arcata Mars. The next word is DU, Dobson Unit. The another word is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. The another word is JFM, Joint Forest Management. Dear students, here are some abbreviated words in unit 5 that are not to be asked in your board examination, because most of the words are taken from the deleted topics of the CBSE syllabus this year. So but for your knowledge point of view, these words certainly will help you in upcoming examination. Thank you very much for this video. Thank you.